of highlighting what we're supposed to be doing as a ministry, not to say that we don't know what we're supposed to be doing. And recently, in the past week, we have seen that we provided notice to indicate that we've got hotlines, but we're not ending there. We are also creating a platform for interface with our citizenry so that you update us on what needs to be done. And this platform is going to be user-friendly, and I'm sure by the end of this week we'll be done with the platform. In addition to the numbers that we circulated, you'll also be tapping into the platform so that you interface with the ministry. But just to highlight the people who are here in this meeting, after the incessant rains that we received, you know that in terms of agricultural sector, it's a plus, but when it comes to infrastructure, it is damaged. And this is what has happened. Not to say that our roads were not done properly, but the amount of grains that we received in some certain sections where with flash floods, and some of the roads were swept away. But nonetheless, we are here to find a solution to address those concerns and also make sure that our people have trafficable roads. And I want to acknowledge that in our midst, we had the acting mayor, Councillor Mtebuka from City of Harare, who is standing in for His Worship, Advocate Makume, who is rushed to another very important meeting. His Worship, the Mayor of the City of Bulawayo, Councillor Kotat, who is also here. Thank you, my brother. Together with your team, we've got Town Clerk, Mr. Dube, from the City of Bulawayo again. We have accompanied the Mayor. We also have engineers from the City of Harare, who has accompanied actually the acting Mayor in our midst. We've got Director Generals from RIDA, others they know GDF, which is now known as RIDA, Mr. Shumba in our midst. We also have the Chief Executive Officer, who's also representing the Association of Rural District Council of Zimbabwe, Dr. Masilele in our midst. Thank you, my brother. We also have Madam CEO of the Zimbabwe Building Contractors Association in our midst, Madam Zimbabwe, and has been supported by the President, Dr. Mazungu, in our midst. We also have the Chief Executive Officer of the Construction Industry Federation of Zimbabwe, TIFOS, my brother Chingaira, and is accompanied by Madam Shoko, who is the President, together with your team. We also have the board chairman of Zinara, Dr. Manyaya, my brother, together with your team, comrades Nule.